is Janina. At this time, please remove the safety briefing card located in the seatback pocket in front of you and follow along as we review the safety features of this aircraft. This aircraft has 4 emergency exits, the main cabin door through which you enter to the service door and the galley. These 2 doors are opened by rotating the handle in the direction of the arrows on the doors. There are also 2 avoiding exits which are opened by removing the cover and pulling the handle inward. Please take a moment to find the exit closest to you, keeping in mind it might be behind you. This aircraft is equipped with floor-level lights on the aisle which will light up in case of an emergency. Green lights lead to orange lights which will indicate you are at an exit. FAA regulations state that your seatbelts must be securely fastened for taxi, takeoff, landing, and anytime the fasten seatbelt sign is on. To fasten your seatbelt, insert the flat metal portion into the buckle. To tighten, pull the loosen of the strap. To release, lift up on the top portion of the buckle. This aircraft is pressurized for your safety and comfort. In case of loss of cabin pressure, the oxygen mask will drop down automatically. Pull the oxygen mask down and out, place the mask over your nose and mouth, and breathe normally. Although oxygen is flowing, the bag will not inflate. Please put your own mask on first before assisting others. Now I will demonstrate the operation of seatbelts and oxygen mask. The emergency water landing, your seat cushion can be used for flotation. To use, pull the seat cushion up and out, extend your arms through the straps, and hold the seat cushion to your chest to remain afloat. On this aircraft, we have 1 fire extinguisher located in the rear end of the wall of the cabin in front of the lavatory. To use, remove from the bracket, pull the security pin, point the nozzle at the flames, squeeze the handle, and sweep the base of the flames. Smoking, including e-cigarettes, is not allowed on this aircraft at any time. Federal law prohibits tampering with, disabling, and destroying smoke detectors installed in an aircraft lavatory, smoking in lavatories, and smoking in passenger compartments. Federal regulation requires passenger compliance, provided signs, placards, and crew member instructions. The door located at the front end of the aisle is the flight deck door. No unauthorized person should make any attempt to enter the flight deck at any time. In preparation for takeoff, be sure your seatbelts are fastened, seatbacks upright, tray tables, and personal items stowed. I will be dimming the cabin lights, controls for your reading lights, air vents, and flight attendant call button is above your head. Now I invite you to sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight.